Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a Thailand eVisa on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have published videos where you can see how to do this on a desktop device like your laptop. But in this way, I'm gonna do it like even in on the easier way. So in front of you, I have opened this Thai eVisa official website. Two options you see on top: sign in, create an account. So if you come here for the very first time, you're gonna tap on create an account if you don't have an account, right? Okay guys, so we are on the page of creating your account. So you have to put your name, first name, last name, nationality, phone number, email, password, confirm password, and then you have to tap on create account. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. As you can see, I just put name, surname, nationality. Now I need to provide contact number, email, password, and then I have to do this captcha and click on create an account. So after you do that step, you get this message: please check your inbox to verify the email. So in the email we get this link which we have to tap. Then it comes to this page where you get a captcha. To put the captcha again and tap on confirm. Bingo, the account has been created. Now we are going to log in and proceed further. Okay, so we logged in into the account, and because we haven't submitted any application yet, everything is blank. Now when you are ready to apply, you're going to tap on apply for a new visa. Now it's going to be forced to check your eligibility, application information, travel information, and then submission. Okay, country, territory of your passport. Let's say you are an Indian national, so I just select India. Oh. Current location, let's say you are in India. So for based on location, there could be something. Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, Union Territory. Okay, fine. Of course. Apply at. So I just select this one. Okay. Next is purpose of visit, travel document type. I select ordinary. It is also asking me to select the visa type. I selected tourist visa. Now purpose of visit. You need to do it as per your case. This is just sample. Now for number of entries, let's see what are the options. I select single, but it's up to you based on your situation. Then I'm going to tap on next. So now we have gone to tab 2, applicant information. So we need to upload passport, photograph, and personal information: title, gender, name, family name, phone number, email, nationality. Do you hold any other nationality at birth, place of birth, city of birth, date of birth, marital status. Select single. Travel document information like travel document type, number, date of issue, place of issue, expiry date, your home address. Okay, permanent address is same. It's yes by default. Employment details, and then we have to go to next. So I'm gonna put some sample and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so I have entered some sample information as I had described before. Okay, like name, family name, phone number, email address, nationality. But whatever you enter, check at least 2 times. And for your date of birth and other uh, vital pieces of information, or for everything, make sure they match with your passport. You don't want any issue last minute, right? So once you are through all of this, and also verify 2 times, tap on next. So we are in the travel information section, intended date of arrival. So I'll select okay, date of departure. Okay, last for embarkation country. So I select you are going from India, because from India there are so many. Port of arrival, I selected mode of transportation. I select commercial. Flight number. Wow. Now it is asking, have you ever visited Thailand before? I select no. Have you ever applied for Thai visa? I select no. Are you traveling as part of tour group? I selected no. Accommodation information, where you're gonna stay. So if you have already booked, you have this information. I'm gonna put some sample. Okay, and then I'm gonna tap on next. Okay guys, so now the checklist has been populated because we had uploaded passport and photo before it's there. Current location, document, travel booking if you have booked, proof of accommodation like hotel booking, financial evidence, okay, bank statement last 3 months, sponsorship letter. Then once you're done, it will go to the next page where it will ask for payment, and from there it will go in the procedure. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.